vascular lesion, you need to adapt your wavelength and your pulse duration to your target. And the target in our case is not the red blood cells. Actually, the target is the vascular walls, but we cannot target them directly, so we need first to treat or to target the red blood cells, and by the explosion of those red blood cells, we're causing damage to the walls of those blood vessels. And that paper was published in the New England Journal of Medicine. That was the first publication regarding the treatment of Port Weinstein by this new technology, and that was the first paper that emphasized the importance of the pulse dilator in the treatment of capillary malformations. And that was another publication that came also from the New England Journal of Medicine, came last year, 2008. And think about that. The cardiologists are trying to prevent thrombosis of the blood vessels. And what we are trying to do as laser surgeons is to induce thrombosis. What are the factors that are important to prevent thrombosis? It's appeared to be there are two important factors. The first one is the collagen, and the other is what